how to add image in PDF. So if you want to add an image to your PDF, or if you want to insert a photo on your PDF file, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PDF file. So for example, I'll be opening a PDF. So once you've opened your PDF, now what you need to do is I'll be showing you a link. So I'll be putting a link in the description. You just need to simply click on that link and it will take you to an interface, which is like this. So you will have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is you just need to click on upload PDF file, and you need to go and upload your PDF file right here. So click on open and upload your PDF file. Once you've uploaded, you will have your PDF file right here. So in order to add the image, you just need to simply go for the image option, and under image, you need to go for a new image. And under new image, you need to go for your PC and simply choose an image that you would like to add. So click on open, and then you can drag and drop that image. So you can adjust the image and you can insert the image wherever you like. So once you're satisfied with the image placement and size, click on apply, which is here. Click on apply changes. Once you click on apply changes, you will have an option of download right here. You just need to click on download. Once you click on download, you will have the PDF file with your image. So that's how you can add image to your PDF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.